The TRI Reamer tool is a versatile multitasker, covering various functions. The front side reams inner screw channel for 3D printed temporaries, whether single crowns, bridges, or full arches. The middle section reams the actual screw seat and widths the screw channel to ensure a free movement of the prosthetic screw in the screw channel. The back part is for the TRX guide sleeves. After 3D printing and light curing the provisional, insert the reamer into the screw channel and start reaming. Insert the reamer from the top of the prosthetic. You'll feel the inner screw channel and can ream it out. This ensures a perfect fit for both inner and outer screw channels. Feel for the base of the screw seat and check if the screw moves freely, especially important for full arches. The same tool reams TRX sleeveless surgical guides using the back part of the reamer. For further information, visit tri.swiss or contact our Matrix support team at matrix-support@tri-implants.swiss.